is why I don't film when he's home. Hey y'all, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, hi. If you're not new and you've seen my videos before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be stretching my ears to a 0 gauge, which is actually my current goal size. Depending on how I feel about this, depends on if I will try to stretch to a 00. I may decide to, I may not, I'm not sure yet. But my original goal size was a 2, and then when I stretched to a 2, then I was like, oh, well, I should do a 0. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to want to switch to a 00. But I'm like 99% sure I'm not going to go past a 00, and I'll probably either stay at a 0 or go back to a 1. But I don't know, I feel like anytime you stretch your ears, it kind of just changes. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Okay, so I already took my jewelry out of my ear holes. I've already wiped my ears down so they don't have any makeup on them. I've washed my hands, I've washed my jewelry, I've washed my tapers, and I'm using all stainless steel tapers and plugs or tunnels. You never want to use acrylic, it's bad, and you can't actually sanitize acrylic. But yeah, so everything's clean, sterilized. I have some jojoba oil. You can use any type of organic oil, and just put it on the taper. Put it on your ear, and then just boop. Wow, that literally fell through. So I guess maybe I don't even need a taper. Apparently not. Oh, there's so much oil. It's like I can't hold it. Okay, well, apparently I didn't even need a taper because it didn't even stick. So maybe I can just put oil on my ear and oil on the tunnel and push it through. Oh, wow. I think this was the easiest stretch I've ever done. Okay, well, that was way more simple than I thought it was gonna be. So it literally just bloop, went right through. But these are a 0 gauge. Yeah, so I guess that's it. If you have any questions or anything, you can ask in the comments and I'll get back to you. Yeah, so I hope you have a good day, wear your mask, and stay safe. Bye. So this is like, has nothing to do with the video, but I'm wearing a nose ring, as y'all can see, and I'm trying to decide if I should get my nose re-pierced, because I used to have it pierced and then I took it out. So like, I can't decide if I should go with it. So like, what do y'all think? Yes, no? Like, I don't know if I like it on me, but I guess you could let me know that down below too. But bye y'all.